Hey, what's going on? Dave Erickson here, and today I'm at Brett's RV and Marine in Missoula, Montana with a 2021 Forest River fifth wheel. This is the Tandara 285 RL east to west. My buddy Dewey here at Brett's RV was nice enough to give me a tour and point out some of the highlights that make this fifth wheel special.
One of the biggest things that Forest River is known for is their Asdel components in their sidewalls. It's a composite material and there's no wood on the exterior of this coach. So when they're bonding your walls together, there's no moisture, no mildew. Next, let's look at this Nautilus wet station here that Tandara gives you. All of your components are in one central area and you can do everything you need to conveniently from this station. You can sanitize the entire system, you can winterize it very conveniently, fill up the tanks, dry camping on city water. You've also got your black tank flush. All your valve handles are inside enclosed, that heated underbelly, and you've got an outside shower with hot and cold running water. So east-west Tandara also gives you a 4-point auto level system. This is convenient for when you get set up at camp, disconnect the truck, hit one button, and it drops the pistons and levels everything for you. We've got a dry weight of just under 10,000 pounds here, so easily towed by a 3/4 ton truck. You don't have to go up to the big boys. This model also comes with 2 exterior awnings, so it gives you increased space outside at your campsite, sitting there watching the campfire with your chairs ready to roll. The Tandara 285 also is equipped with the step above steps that completely load up inside the trailer. The key feature is that they're adjustable on the bottom and it gives you a wide, stable stance for any level ground. The 285 is a great couples coach. It's got a table and chairs with 4 seats, plenty of room to have some people over and visit. You've got theater seating in your entertainment area with a large flat screen TV. You also have a fold-out sofa that makes almost a queen-size bed in case you have somebody that decides to stay over for a visit. The rear of the coach has USB ports all over the place. We're all charging our cell phones these days. 110s wherever you need them. And they've even given you residential-style hidden hinges for all your cabinetry. The island kitchens are hugely popular these days, and they give you the flexibility with a large farm-style sink to do all the counter prep that you need. So the kitchen offers a huge double-door propane or electric fridge with a separate freezer compartment from Dometic, and you just set it up here. It's automatic. You don't have to worry about any adjustment. We've also got a huge double-door pantry for taking everything with you, and you can convert this into a coat closet with built-in coat hooks. The bedroom is equipped with a wardrobe that is prepped for a single-use washer and dryer. You've also got fabulous hidden storage underneath the bed on a strut system for all those things you don't need to use every day. One other thing you'll notice about this Tandara 285 is there's no heater ducts in your floor. Everything comes through toe kicks here by the stairs and also on the base of the island.
Well, there you go, the 2021 Forest River Tandara 285 RL. For more information, check out my friends over at Brett's RV and Marine in Missoula by going to brettsrv.com or clicking the link below this video. Until next time, I'm Dave Erickson. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Adios.